What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today we're going to be making a Tommy's cocktail. Now, Tommy's cocktail was created by Julio Bermejo for Tommy's Mexican restaurant in San Francisco in 1990. And at that time, margaritas, like the quality of margaritas, let's say, kind of followed the quality of the tequila and followed the quality of the orange liquor that was used. So whether it was Grand Marnier for like a Cadillac margarita, or Curacao, or Cointreau. There's lots of different. So anyway, at one point, Bermejo found himself in a health food store and he found some agave syrup, which at that time was not as prevalent as it is now. And he decided that he would like to try that in a margarita to sort of play up the agave character of the tequila, but then also sweeten the cocktail as opposed to using Curacao, then taking the Curacao out. Now, if you guys have seen my preferred margarita recipe, you'll see that I actually use a little orange Curacao and agave, but a Tommy's margarita is with the agave taken out completely. And that's all it is. 3 ingredients, but it's a brilliant recipe. So let's do a cocktail and see what happens. I don't know. I know that it's awesome, but you guys are going to know that it's awesome now too. So the first thing we're going to do is 1 ounce of lime juice, then ½ ounce of agave. Now, if you tend to water your agave down with water to make it more soluble or whatever, I would actually up this to 1 ounce. But since mine is just straight up agave, I'm doing ½ ounce. And then we're just doing 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila, which is nice. It'll give it a little bit more character than Blanco will. And just gonna add our ice. And we're going to shake. All right. Come on, you. There we go. Just put our rocks in our rocks glass. And fine strain our. Now this, typically this drink doesn't really need to be fine strained, but I'm doing it anyway, just as a force of habit. Let's taste this and see how it goes. I mean, it's super tart, but you get that sugar. It's not like all lime, but it just plays up the lime. And the tequila is so good with it. It's just like a little bit more character than your Blanco would be. You get that tequila flavor. It's aged a little bit. You kind of get those notes. It's good. I had to go in for another sip. And there you have it, my friends, the Tommy's Margarita. If you like our content, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want to give us a couple of shekels to help us offshoot the cost of production, and by offshoot, I meant offset, you can go to patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. Until next time, my friends.